I just woke up one morning and noticed that I couldn't sit properly. My name is Mrs. Ifem. I just started feeling this pain at my lower back. I felt it was just normal. Owing up that I just had a baby. So when I stand up, after a while I sit, I notice I have this pain. So I just ignored throughout that day though. But it just kept on. By the day, it got worse. By the day. And after like 2 days, I went back to the clinic. That's how I started going back, seeing doctors. And before you know, they said I had to see an orthopedic surgeon. And that was how I started till I had an MRI scan. And boom, they said it was a spinal issue. I noticed that I started having restriction in my range of motion. I could barely stand up from the bed. Even when I want to, if I eventually stand up with so much pain, if I want to sit, so much pain. And sometimes the pain goes all the way down to my legs. And then it just keeps progressing. And then I start having tingling feelings, muscle spasms, numbness in some areas. You can't go out again. You can barely do nothing for yourself. All you have to do is just sit, take pain pills, cry your eyes out. You can't do anything. After the surgery, I'll say it's been great. The numbness, I'm not feeling them anymore. The very excruciating pain, I'm not feeling them. What I feel right now is just the normal surgery pain, which they say wear off, of course. It's just been 3 days. I had it on Wednesday. And the good news is that he said I'm good to go home. And here am I, it's just a few days after the surgery. I'm fine. What I'm feeling is just the surgery pain, and it's even gradual. I can flip around I couldn't flip. Before the surgery, I cannot come out of the bed. Someone has to help me with a painkiller. In fact, a painkiller, not just the tablet again, injection. They would give me morning and night. But now, I had my surgery on Wednesday. That same Wednesday in the evening, I asked them, can I turn in this bed? And they said, if you can, turn. And I turned. And I was like, this is the first good news. So I can turn after so many months in the bed. And that alone gave me this conviction that I'm fine. Secondly, I could come out of the bed without aid. But right now, I'm doing a lot of things for myself. I just changed by myself. I can't even do anything before. The only thing I'm looking forward to doing is actually driving. And I know I will soon go back because I'm happy. I just went downstairs today to grab some fresh air, sun, something that I've not been doing for long. All I did was stay inside the house. Oh God. Life was miserable. But now, life is good. I'm beginning to see the bright side of 2021. Because when I had this spinal issue, the first thing everybody was saying, do you want to keep your back for someone in Nigeria to do some surgery? You want to do that? And it was scary though, because the first thing that comes to your mind is paralysis. And I have seen people that were paralyzed because of little things. So for me to have concluded that I can beat my chest and recommend bars to anywhere, anybody, in fact, I will sell them. Because when you finish parabolating, you will come back here. Because I just did. I parabolated, but I won't blame myself because I didn't know. Bars is just like a home. It's not a hospital. It's just a home. Just come, grab your healing, feel refreshed, and go home.